In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain issues on your Windows 11 computer. These steps are simple, and they can help you get more battery life from your device. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that increasing battery life might come at the cost of slightly slower performance. But if your main goal is to get longer battery life, these tips should help. Let's begin with the display brightness. Your screen uses a lot of power, so reducing brightness can make a big difference. Use the brightness slider in the Action Center at the bottom right of your screen to lower it. Try not to keep it at the maximum level unless necessary. Next, open the search menu on your taskbar and type in Control Panel. Click on it from the search results. In the Control Panel window, find the View by option at the top right and change it to Large Icons. Then, click on Power Options. You will see several power plans here. Select the Power Saver plan. This setting helps your system reduce performance a little, but it also uses less power. After selecting it, you can close the control panel. Now, let's reduce background programs that might be using up your battery. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. If you're using Windows 10, right-click an empty space on the taskbar instead, then select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to the Startup tab. You will see a list of programs that automatically start when your computer turns on. You don't need most of them running in the background. Click on any unnecessary program and then click the Disable button at the bottom right. Make sure not to disable your antivirus or cloud storage apps like OneDrive or Dropbox unless you know what you're doing. You can always come back and enable these programs later if needed. Once you're done, close the Task Manager. You may need to restart your computer for these changes to apply. Let's now adjust the performance settings to reduce the load on your system. Open the search bar again and type in Performance. From the results, click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. A new window will appear. Select the option that says Adjust for best performance. This will turn off animations and visual effects that are not necessary. Click Apply, then click OK. Keep in mind this will make your system look more basic. Fonts may not look as smooth and some animations will be gone. If that bothers you, you can go back and turn on just the settings you prefer by choosing Custom instead. These changes will help reduce battery usage while still letting you work smoothly. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you improve your battery life on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.